You okay?
Mm-hmm.
What is your social media ick?
Elon Musk. Slash when people use 20, they tag like 50 different people, or, you know, those stereotypical LinkedIn posts with all the hashtags that are totally not relevant and clickbaity.
I would say when people have like the super long captions and it's just like a novel of random stuff that has nothing to do with the photo, that always bothers me. And then at the end they do like 20 more hashtags to make it even longer.
What TV show or movie character does the person next to you remind you of?
She always reminded me of Dwight from The Office. And ironically, she just got an office tattoo, so.
What's the main character from Abbott Elementary?
Oh. What's her name? Janine.
Janine.
I'm gonna do Janine.
Yeah.
What is one catchphrase or word that the person next to you uses frequently? And if you can't name anything, take another bite.
You like yell at Jesse a lot, if that counts. Like you're always like, he doesn't know go grocery stores, go grocery shopping, or.
Jessica always complains about her boyfriend's mother. Wow, what is this? Meemaw's Crackatoa.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Who made that marketing label?
Yeah, wow, this is fantastic. Let Meemaw blow your top and explode your taste buds with this terrifying seismic surge of flavor. Can't wait.
Alright.
You okay? You sure? You need anything?
Yeah.
No? Okay.
What are some old person habits that you currently have?
What don't I have? I have arthritis.
Your knees crack.
Yeah. Let's see, what else? I really like old game shows. Bingo is cool. I like mashed potatoes.
I feel like I like watching the weather. Like I like looking at the radar and stuff. That's probably an old person thing, I think. I really like matching pajama sets. So my friends always say that's an old person. Like my little flannels have to match with my slippers and stuff. So.
What reality show do you think that you could see yourself on?
Okay, The Amazing Race. There is footage out there floating around of my family applying to be on The Amazing Race. It was a terrible video. It was so cringy and embarrassing that I have buried it deep into the recesses of my brain and have I should probably mention that to my therapist next week.
I feel like I would probably be on like American Idol, but I would be one of the people in the beginning that's like shown for being so bad that they don't make it to the next round. So I've accepted that would probably be me.
We're gonna get into the challenge now for this round. Give your best impression of Meemaw and what she would sound like, and then the least believable person has to take another bite.
You kids better get off my lawn!
Let Meemaw show you how to do it right. She's popping it like it's hot. Y'all go down, eat some wings.
You sound like a macaw.
Both of you.
Alright, so Supreme Court Judge David, also known as President David, also known as King David, has decided. Both of you.
Right.
It's not too bad, so.
That was a good bite. That was a winky bite.
Ready?
Initial thoughts. How's this one compared to the other two?
It's starting to kick in. It has good flavor though in the beginning. Good, what do you need?
What is the cringiest thing that you've ever posted on social media?
Lyrics in my Facebook status post. Oh, it hurts my gums.
I would say it's like the 2012 era of Facebook. A lot of my pictures were heavily filtered, had frames, and it would be like of my Starbucks cup or of my like food that I thought was cute, which wasn't.
If you had to go on Shark Tank, what would your business idea be?
It's something to counteract spice.
Honestly, probably something to like help short people reach things on like top shelves, because
Oh, step ladder.
yeah, but they're like annoying and hard to like get out sometimes or like store, and I'm like sick of like climbing up into my cabinet. So
Challenge round. Tell us your best joke. And if nobody laughs, let's.
Gosh.
I feel like none of the jokes I have are good to begin with.
No.
How does a camel hide in the desert?
How?
Camouflage.
You can put some ranch in it, Kelly, if you.
Oh.
Full send.
Oh,
It's my lips that hurt.
It's like my gums.
It tastes good though. It has good flavor.
At first.
It's just fire. All right.
Hmm?
I just don't want that.
That's about right.
Are you ready?
No.
Sure.
Okay. Go ahead. Alright, can you guys tell us about.
You okay? Drink something. It definitely like just keeps building. Nothing's open.
What's the ice cream?
I don't know where to.
Alright, Jessica, do you want to tell us about the most embarrassing thing you've ever worn?
Spoon?
Oh gosh. In middle school, I used to wear like the Bermuda plaid shorts with like the matching pillow from like Aeropostale. I thought that was cute. With the side bangs to add to it and braces.
I had one of those wraps. Oh, I got the braids in the Bahamas, and I got sunburn and got dandruff.
The heartburn's kicking in.
Jessica, can you walk us through your skin routine? Your skincare?
Wash my face. And then in the morning, sure.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
In the morning, I'll use vitamin C, and then I do an eye cream, and then my face lotion and sunblock. And then in the evenings, I do the same thing, but a retinol and no sunblock.
Since Kelly's struggling We'll see if Jessica can complete the last time challenge. If you want to turn over your note, and
gosh.
you have to recite this tongue twister 5 times.
Okay. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better. Lesser leather,
Faster.
never weathered, wetter weather better. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better. Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter weather better.
Congrats.
Good?
Yes.
Thank God.
You guys made it to the end of the challenge. Congrats.